do you like this boat? I'm sitting on a red boat. Kinda nice, right? Look at the interior. So, this is my boat. We're gonna buy this boat one day. I think in the summers. You know that. You're gonna borrow it, right? So, let's check out the boat. So, first, this is the front over here. This is the chair. You can see the sunrise. This is a high chair. Oh, yeah. So, now we come down over here. There's a captain's thing. You can drive everyone in the lake, and this is the gear shifting up. And there's one more seat over here. So if somebody comes here, you just sit here. Now at the back. So actually at the back, there's an engine, the powerful horsepower engine who controls the boats. So just look at all the boats over there. Show it. Oh yeah, these are cool. Well, this is a horsepower engine. It says that you can just nice, right? You're gonna sit down here and you can just see every. Hi guys, listen, I showed you the other one, right? You're gonna show you all of these yachts today. So this is the chair. So I'll show you. This is the engines. Or here, who controls it? Okay. These are the chairs. You can look in the sky, everything will on. So let's move on inside. Right here, this is where the captain drives the boat. It looks kind of nice. The nozzles open. What is that? And this is the gear. Oh yeah. And that's the other seat again. This boat is cost of $160 and $10,000. It's got expensive to get in on the seat. So it's the ultimate boat with the most high tanks and most high calories with this one. Actually, we're gonna show you more boats today. You will love it. I know. Just get the back here. Let's get back on the here now. No. And wait for we get it soon. And let's stay on the boat. Thank you guys for watching this. Watch the next video. It will be on the sea. Just watch the I just sat here on boats. Nice to meet you. So I'll show you again. Oh yeah. Right now we're at the shopping mall. Just look at it. Village here. And these are the boats. You saw some boats. You saw some back there. And some right here. Let's go show you get down here. The ultimate boat. Stand. You get in here and you drive. That for. Look, this is the engine. Oh, that's cool. With the horsepower engine for 20 feet and 998. Oh, I still have to ask you guys. We'll keep towing them at 4 p.m. Nice. We hi guys. Again, I'm gonna do it someday, but I think it's too cold outside. There's already a chase on the highway. Bye bye then. See my next video. Subscribe to Jason Vlogs and watch that. It's so easy. It's the JSAN, my real name. You can check it out at YouTube and just YouTube. You're right. No Netflix. And you can just see it. Okay. For summer, hi guys, you're getting a boat for summer.
You need a bigger boat.
Yeah.
Need a bigger one.
Okay. So, I don't know what happened. Let me sing.
Come, let's walk through the.
Yeah, let's
Boat.
walk through.
Come on, let's go.
This is a diamond boat. Yeah. This is the perfect location for summer. Come on, guys, let's show you all the boat. Did you see this one?
No, next one.
Look at it.
No, Jason, let's go over bigger ones.
Wait, this one, this one, this one, this one. What shirt should you get on? Oh wow.
So which one you like?
I think this is the best. Over here. Red diamond, everything. And then it goes with next box. Oh wow! Oh,
Wait.
and we made it on the boat. Yeah, try it. Listen. Now let's. Oh, nice boat. Oh, what is this? It's nice. Let's show you the other boat over here. The $10 boat. About falling, about.
Khada.
This is our. We're gonna take this for the sun tracker.
Okay.
Let's go get on it. That's cool. You can add it on. Yeah. Hey, can I help you, boss?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it a snake. There's our fiber. Help me. What? Watching my video? Like and subscribe.